In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate WooCommerce orders in just 5 minutes. This process, while straightforward, can save you a lot of time and effort when managing your e-commerce store. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. It's where everything begins, allowing you to manage your website effectively. Once you arrive at the website, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will direct you to the Login page, where you can enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center of your website, providing tools to manage content, themes, plugins, and more. Now, look for the Plugins section in the left-hand menu, which may initially be collapsed. Click on Plugins, and you'll see a drop-down menu or a new page displaying a list of all your current plugins. Next, click on Add Plugin. This page is where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search bar, type Order Export and Order Import for WooCommerce. This particular plugin is designed specifically to handle WooCommerce order migrations efficiently. Once you find Order Export and Order Import for WooCommerce in the search results, click on it. This will bring up more details about the plugin, such as its features and user reviews, which can be insightful if you're new to using it. Now, you need to proceed to install the plugin. Click on the Install button, and the plugin will automatically download and install on your WordPress site. This step might take a moment, so be patient. After the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin for use. Once activated, the Order Export and Order Import for WooCommerce plugin is ready to facilitate your order migration. With this plugin, you can seamlessly export order data from one WooCommerce store and import it into another, ensuring that all your order details are transferred safely and efficiently. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth migration process. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity and continuity of your e-commerce operations with minimal disruption. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, using simple steps and a powerful plugin, you're now set to handle WooCommerce order migrations effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy migrating!